So I've been talking about interoception mostly as awareness of the body and our bodily functions, but I want to talk a little bit about how interoception is involved with our emotions as well. Because it's responsible for like the sensation part of our emotions, like the how it feels really heavy to be sad sometimes, or just downright pushed down when you have depression. The tightness in your chest when you feel angry, or for me, when I get really stressed, my stomach gets really twisty and my shoulders get really high. So all of that is interoception, and noticing how your body responds to stress, or noticing if when you're sick or you have to go to the bathroom or when you need to eat. Those are all part of interoception. But noticing your emotional response in bodily sensations is a part of emotional self-regulation. So learning how to recognize those cues when they're coming up will help you to navigate stressful situations better. It'll help you increase your awareness of your own stress responses and how you deal with your own emotions. If you're aware of what's happening in your body, then you know how to address that, right? So if you're saying, oh my gosh, my stomach is doing flips right now, what do I need to do? Let's see. Breathing helps. What else? My stomach feels tight. Okay, if I sit up, maybe that helps my posture. I'm not in such a protective stance. Paying attention to those signs in your body and what do I need right now to calm myself down. So building your interoception and your ability to be aware of your own bodily cues helps you build techniques to help you deal with stressful situations. So if you know how your body reacts to stress, then you can create strategies to help you respond instead of react. So if you already know that your body tends to that your breathing gets shallow and your stomach gets all twisty and your shoulders get really tight, when you're in a stressful situation, you can be aware of that and, okay, let me bring my shoulders down. Let me take some deep breaths. Take a minute to stop and check in with my body. What do I need right now? Or if it's, the same with anger or fear or anxiety, any of those things, if we check in with our body and we understand what those signals are, that feeling like you're going to have a heart attack. If people get anxiety or they get panic attacks, a lot of times they think they're having a heart attack. So what do I need to do if I know I get panic attacks? What do I need to do with my body in that moment, right? How do I need to calm down? What steps can I take to calm my body down? A lot of times taking a walk or, taking a break from that stressful situation if you can. If you're working with children, walking out of the room is not an option, right? And it's not always an option for anybody, but if they're not working with children. Being able to bring awareness to our physical bodily sensations regarding our emotions helps us build strategies to address those sensations when they come up when we're having big emotions, even just for ourselves, right? When we're having big emotions. Interoception also includes our ability to recognize emotional responses in other people. So it helps improve our relationships with others as we build our own awareness of our emotional responses. Because if I know what's going on with me, I can recognize that that's what's going on with you, and then maybe I can be there to support you in whatever way that you need, but I need to recognize that first. So building awareness of our own interoception in terms of our emotional responses is a really important thing. It's critical for emotional self-regulation. And then, when we build those skills, that has domino effects throughout the world, right? If we can become more aware of our own emotions, it gives permission to other people to become more aware of theirs. If you'd like to learn more, please click the link in the description to my free mini course. As always, please remember to like, share, and comment. I love questions. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'm Shana Bender of Sense Mindful Integration, and please remember to mind your senses.